my fault. I didn't notice it was out of place. You painted fairy tales on the wall, calling to the better of the halves of me. Please show me just a little bit of honesty. I hope I got a heart that I can salvage, but it's getting harder now to recall. I know well, but let out both dry. You could have anything you wanted, anything you wanted, it all for your fool's gold. And I know well why, deaf and half blind, you could get anything you wanted. Yeah, I would've handed it all over, falling for you. I need to fall for you, for you, for you. Came in and you're looking like a sign of grace. I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault. But when I noticed it was far too late, you left a fingerprint on my soul.
Is it only me? Do you feel I'm sinking? Trying desperately. Something changed here. You don't see it, but I can feel it everywhere.